Okay, working on a Honda Accord 2001. I need to replace the AC condenser. Not really any replacement videos online. I know this car's getting older. Who knows that there's too many of these out there still, but you take these, bolt these things from the radiator. That allows you to have some space to push this to pull the condenser out. There's a bolt right there. I've already removed it. That's the AC line. Hoping not to have to take the, sorry about the finger there. Hoping not to have to take the bumper cover off. Not that it's a super hard thing to do, just tedious. There's a bolt down there and I have room with an extension to get that off. So I'm gonna get that off. And then tricky part is I want to place that AC dryer as well, and so I'm not quite sure with the space in there how well I'm going to be able to get in there and get it out, but I'll give it a shot. So I'm going to work on it, see what happens. Okay, we've got to remove that bolt there and that bolt there. That's what helps to get the condenser out. Without those two, it's not going to move. So okay, so these were those bolts that I just showed you, the little mounting clips. So there's two that need to come off, one on each side. And then I was able to get I had enough room down in there to get an extension. Everything's 10mm bolts so far, and I think I've got everything. So I'm replacing the AC dryer as well. You do have to remove that wire there, and then you can wiggle this thing out. You don't have to like loosen that screw up to create space. It'll actually come out, or at least it did for me. So now I have to get that part off and put it on the new AC dryer. So, and then of course here's the, if you can see that, that's the wire that's connected to it. It's got to come off just by pressing that in, taking your time and pulling it out. So there's an AC line, and then here's another AC line with the high pressure that comes off with the two bolts, one that connects to the bottom of the condenser, and then the other side that connects to the AC dryer. So this is the old AC condenser. As you can tell, it's just falling apart, holes all over the place, dirty. AC just wasn't really working well, especially when it was really hot outside. So got the new AC condenser there, ordered it off of Amazon. And I guess when you replace the AC condenser, you need to put about an ounce of PAG oil. And I got the stuff with the dye in case there's any leaks. And then another 0.4 ounces, I think, for the AC dryer. I'll verify that. Old AC dryer, got the old connector off and put it on here. It's a 24-inch socket that you could use to get it off, or possibly you could use something like that. It was kind of stuck on there pretty good, so I just threw that on there and it came right off. The impact gun, low settings. I didn't want to mess anything up, but looks like there's an O-ring in there, and that's actually one thing that I don't think I did, so I need to check that and make sure. I probably need to put an O-ring on there, so that's not a problem. I can just pop it off and put one in there. Got a pack of O-rings from Amazon as well. So now that's what I gotta go do, is start replacing all these old worn out O-rings. So, and there's, I don't know, 6 or so that I need to replace. I'm trying to think here. I got these two, the one over there, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I guess the one on the dryer probably, so something like 5. So there's special kits for the AC Honda Accord 2001 specifically, or you can just get an O-ring assortment kit. For me it was just cheaper to do that, and so I'll be back. So this that came off of the new dryer, just to kind of keep it protected and plugged, actually had an O-ring on it already, so I took it off, put it on there, perfect fit. So the new AC dryer comes with an O-ring, which is nice. So these, there's 4 of them on there, transferring them to the new AC. So put the new AC in there, put that on there, and you should be able to mount, put the mounts I showed you earlier back on. So of course you just put everything back the way it was. There's the new AC dryer, 2 new O-rings, 3 actually where the plug goes, and then of course that bottom, you can reach it through the hole in the bumper cover. Kind of hard to see, but it's down in there. O-ring there, and of course there was a really good O-ring on there. It looks like somebody had just replaced it. It was the green nitrile rubber O-ring, so I actually kept that one. It looked like it was in really good shape, but I have a bunch of O-rings, so if I do need to replace it, it's not going to be that difficult. That one's probably the easier one to replace, frankly. So nice brand new AC condenser. Hopefully the AC will actually work once it's charged. We shall see. I got the PAG oil with the UV dye, so hopefully if there is any leaks around the O-rings or any other areas, I'll see where that's coming from. So over and out.